Welcome back. As a part of this video, we will understand the data accuracy testing and how AI can complement the rule-based automation of data accuracy testing. Data accuracy testing asks, is the data actually correct? While completeness checks whether the value exists, accuracy checks whether the value reflects a reality or matches a correct source. For example, a customer address may exist in the target system. When you ask completeness, it will say, yes, address is there. Completeness check is passed. But on the other side, accuracy asks, does that address match the trusted CRM system? Right? So it checks the values against a trusted source, a reference data set, source document, or a system of record. It goes beyond, is it present, to is it right? So how do you really validate the data accuracy? Manually. Traditionally, accuracy testing relies heavily on sampling the records and also manual comparison. Tester may pick a sample records, compare them with source documents or the system of records, or manually validate them against the master data. Or he or she can spot check the percentage of records rather than testing exhaustively. Because we are dealing with the millions and billions of records. Manually, it is highly impossible to go through all the million records, isn't it? So we resort for a sampling and manual comparison. When we are doing the sampling and manual comparison, the weakness is obvious. You may validate 100 records successfully, but the error could be hiding in record number 101. Sampling reduces the effort, but it also means some errors can slip through. And as data volumes grow, manually checking accuracy becomes increasingly difficult. So we have to think about automation for sure. Our thought process is we should take a hybrid approach in automating the data accuracy. Consider the rule-based automation by doing the reference lookups, formula checks, where you recompute the derived values and compare with the targeted values, and check on the allowed code list, and also perform exact source to target comparisons. This can be complemented by AI whenever the data becomes fuzzy or uncertain. For example, John Smith and John Smith may represent the same customer even though the strings are not identical. That is where AI will be able to help. Like detecting the suspicious values, and if there are any outliers in the statistical terms that really don't violate the any rule. So the hybrid model here is rules validate known truth. AI can help in any suspicious or uncertain cases.
That's all for now. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Thank you.